So welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with us a very cool strategy on VIX 75 index. You can see our profit here, and then our balance is 154 because of the swap that was used in taking these trades. Okay, so but I'm just going to share the strategy that you can use to place a trade in the market, and then you can scalp the market or hold your position whenever you want to trade with this strategy. Okay, so we are just going to be looking at the VIX 75 market, because I will soon close the trade in profits like this other markets we can see here. Okay, so I'll just head over to my chart now. Okay, so on my chart you can see that we are going to be using this strategy on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, on the VIX 75 index market. So what you want to do is, maybe after this video you can decide to check any other market aside this VIX 75 index market, and see whether this same strategy is going to work. Okay, and remember, as always, whatever strategy that I show here, you want to check it out first of all on your demo account before you decide to use it on a live account, so that you don't lose your money. Okay, and as you can see that this is where we've set our take profit somewhere around here. Okay, because this was like the last point the market turned away from, so we are targeting here. Okay, and the reason why we are targeting here is because if you come to the 4-hour time frame, or if you go to the daily time frame, you will notice that we have been on a downtrend. Okay, so the first thing we want to do before we make use of this strategy is to know the direction of the market. Okay, make sure you know where the market is going to, if the market is going up or if the market is coming down. Okay, so in this case we can see that the market is going down. Okay, so the direction of this market is a down market. Okay, and so we expect the market to keep going down. Okay, so after determining the direction of the market, what we want to do now guys is really where the secret lies. Okay, so for you to be able to enter this trade, what you want to do is to go to like the 1-hour time frame. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame guys, remember that we took this trade somewhere around here. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to take this trade whenever this trade wants to play out. Okay, there's a reason why we took this trade. Okay, and the reason why we took this trade is because of two or three things. Okay, and remember, we already talked about the direction. Okay, so what we want to look at for, first of all guys, now if you understand this thing, you will be able to take any trade for yourself in the market. Okay, so the first thing we want to look out for is our break of structure. Okay, remember, this is our break of structure here. Okay, so this is the break of structure we want to look out for. Okay, so we are just going to mark out that particular level here. Okay, you can see that our break of structure. So guys, we don't just use anyhow break of structure. So the break of structure we want to focus on is the break of structure that is coming from a particular high. So you can see that this break this particular low here is coming from this high. Okay, so that's what we want to look out for. Okay, whenever you see a low here, you want to look and trace where this low is coming from. Okay, you can see that this low is coming from this high here. Okay, you can see that there's no other fractal indicator. If you look at this particular low, you will notice that there's a fractal here, there's a fractal here, there's a fractal. So this is like the last fractal indicator here. Okay, so this low is coming from this high, and then that's the first thing. The second thing, we want to look at where this low is taking us so you can see that this low gave us this high. Okay, and once we see that, we want to see this high taking out this low again. So guys, once this high takes out this low, then what we want to do now is where the secret is. Okay, make sure you look for this low that was made by previous high. You can see that was this high here that brought about this low, okay? And look out for the high that was created by this low. So you can see that this high here was created by this low, and then you wait for market to take out this low, okay? Immediately market takes out this low, what we want to do now is we have to go to our 15 minutes time frame, okay? So on the 15 minutes time frame, remember, we can see our head and shoulder pattern here, okay? You can notice this like the left shoulder, this like the head, and then this like the right shoulder, okay? So if you can't see that where you can just go to the 5 minutes time frame, and then you'll be able to see clearly the head and shoulder, okay? You can see the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So immediately we begin to see this forming in the market, this head and shoulder pattern, guys. Then what we want to do is to go to the 1 hour time frame to look for an order block, okay? So that that will be like where we want to enter using the head and shoulder pattern strategy, okay? Because if you don't use the head and pattern shoulder strategy on an order block, you might not know exactly the level to mark out, okay? So this order block help us to know the particular level here, as you can see, because this head and shoulder pattern could have formed outside here or below here, but we want to look at for this head and shoulder pattern inside of this order block, okay? So if we go back to like the 15 minutes time frame now, you will be able to see that this particular head and shoulder, okay, you can see that the head was formed inside this other block, okay, and then the left shoulder and the right shoulder, they were formed outside. But the most important thing is that we know that the head, either the head should be inside the other block or the whole body, whichever the case, we want to see this pattern playing out inside. So guys, this is how to make use of the strategy, okay? Very simple and powerful. Make sure you wait first of all for your break of structure. Immediately your break of structure forms, make use of the last order block. Remember, our order block is the last buy candle before the sell. That is for a bearish order block, or a bullish order block rather. Then you can see that this was like the last sell candle before the buy. This for our bearish order block, okay? So whichever the case may be, guys, wait for price to come back to this particular last candle here, and you can see that was what happened. Place your entry here, put your stop loss above. So what you are just doing basically is just to wait for price to come and hit our take profit, guys. So we are going to be taking our profit, okay? So guys, if you are here to like this video, please can you do so. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll advise you do that now, so that you'll be notified whenever I drop useful videos like this. And if you have not shared this video, please do so, so that other traders can get access to this video, okay? And you can leave a comment in the comment description of this video if you have a problem with any other market, okay? And if you like to join our community group where we give signals, and also you want to get access to my strategy, then definitely you can click on the link on my bio, okay? So thanks guys for watching this video. Definitely I'll see us in my next trading video. So cheers guys, and stay profitable.